Our gear cutting machines are used in the automotive industry, where there's an increasing need for gears to be finished to a higher precision for better fuel efficiency and noise reduction. In addition, gears with higher precision are needed for reduction gears used in different applications, such as the joints of robotic arms. The best method for mass-producing high-precision gears in these industries? Generating gear grinding. It includes the ZE16C and 26C external gear grinders, which support workpieces with an external diameter of up to 160 millimeters and 260 millimeters, respectively. We also offer the ZI20 internal gear grinder. We'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the features and new functions of these machines. Firstly, let's take a look at the bias modification machining function that has been newly installed in the ZE16C and 26C. Designed for use on both sides of the tooth surface, bias modification machining is a function that enables high precision and high efficiency machining of the tooth surface shape, which is effective for reducing gear noise. Specifically, this function controls the twisting of the tooth surface that occurs when crowning is applied in the tooth lead direction of the workpiece. Our bias modification function forms the required shape by dressing while rotating the dressing wheel. A composite dressing wheel is used to dress both flanks of the grinding wheel simultaneously. These functions reduce both machining time and dressing time. Now let's take a closer look at the measurement chart of a workpiece machined using the bias modification function. It modifies the bias on the tooth profile while maintaining the crowning on the tooth lead. Next, let's turn our attention to polish grinding. We have accumulated a lot of knowledge when it comes to polish grinding in mass production after many years of machining tests. Performing polish grinding would usually result in longer cycle times. However, with the ZE16C, by shortening the machining and non-machining times, polish grinding can be performed with a cycle time shorter than that of conventional processing machines. Furthermore, in terms of machining precision, we're able to achieve a surface roughness of RA 0.1 microns, or less, for the tooth profile and the tooth lead. In this way, the ZE16C uses polish grinding to achieve both shortened cycle time and high precision. Moving on, let's turn our focus to our water-soluble coolant system. We are the first company in the world to succeed in mass production with generating gear grinding that uses water-soluble grinding fluid designed to reduce environmental impact. Using a water-soluble grinding fluid makes it possible to reduce lubricant costs by approximately 80%, and more than 100 units have already been delivered. As the world's first internal gear grinder using generation grinding, internal gear finishing is required to meet the demand for higher precision in automotive transmissions, and the ZI28 achieves both high productivity and high precision in that aspect. The superior productivity and machining precision of generation grinding makes it an ideal method for high precision machining of internal gears. The ZI28 is equipped with built-in direct drive motors. It achieves high productivity and high precision machining with a cutting speed of 25 meters per second. This speed is made possible by a grinding spindle rotating at 15,000 RPM, which achieves high speed and high precision rotation, synchronization control, and a table spindle that rotates at 6,000 RPM. Now, let's look at some of the specifics of machining precision. All of the values for tooth profile, tooth lead, pitch, and runout have cleared the equivalent of ISO Class 4 for high-precision machining. The dressing method is compatible with the dress gear method and the disc method. Customers can select the appropriate method for each workpiece according to their needs. In response to automation, an AE or acoustic emission sensor has been installed to automate the phase alignment of the grinding wheel. This allows the automatic tooth alignment of the workpiece.